Oh boy, we're gonna die today.
VTech, baby.
What could go wrong?
I can think of a couple things that can go wrong on that.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the shop. Unfortunately, this morning things started to happen pretty quickly and things kind of devolved into just utter chaos and didn't really have a structured way of filming today. I actually had plans on originally coming up here to work on the Conquest since we have everything that we need to actually finish doing this build, but again, didn't make it to that. So enjoy the next 15 to 20 minutes of shenanigans as we absolutely destroy this Honda.
Yes. All right, now we need a ladder.
I like where this is going.
Or we can just tie a brick to a rope and throw it over.
Well, we came up here to do Conquest things.
That's it.
Guess that changed.
It's gotta be up around there.
Perfectly fine.
That's all the rope we got?
Yeah. There is.
Now tie another slip knot.
Oh, it is long enough.
Tie another slip knot like right here.
Yeah, I got a hook right here.
Hook that up. Hook that one up.
Oh, you can tie these together?
I think we'd be fine just right there.
Yeah, we can tie this rope to the car. Something tells me the car's not very happy.
No.
Well, I guess we'll see how this goes. You guys might want to move.
Oh, your rope sucks.
Damn.
Do it just a wrap strap.
All right, try number 2. Woo! Hi, Brendan. You might want to turn around.
This is fine.
Nope, we lost her.
Oh, we broke the rope in half.
That broke the rope this time.
All right, we need a bigger rope.
Dude, she's chopping. What do you think?
I think Honda Kid thinks, man. You gotta bomb the Accord around the field.
I mean, do you want to?
It's what it's meant for.
We've already done it, and then you haven't. We got the chains.
In the pursuit of attaining more firewood, there's no kill like overkill. All right.
No, but hell yeah!
A little bit of yard cleanup. Why buy a Honda if you're not going to use it as a tool?
For sure. It was just like shit. Finally, I was like, so annoyed. I
Stop! Looks good right there. That worked out pretty well. Surprised. Yeah, once we got the chain on top.
Yeah, when ropes don't do it, chains is your next best thing.
Welcome back to the shop, eh?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm just. I mean, honestly, the POV is not bad here. Like,
zoomed out. Dude, how do I buy this Subaru?
Talk to Mitch. It runs. The wheels are locked up right now.
Oh, that sucks. It runs though?
Yeah. Yeah, he just walked over to it and just fired it up.
Is my trunk still open? Yeah. too. Now what I've been curious about is if we could make it through the sumac or not. Oh, do you hear that? I think the motor just knocked.
Oh! When's the last time we checked oil in this?
I don't even know if this thing has oil in it. He said he wanted the sumac gone.
That's one way to do it.
Mowing for sumac.
The seat.
Dude, how have we not bent this course this morning?
Oh, it still looks kind of nice.
The pan is still flat. This is a good rig.
That last one should have been the pan. we should be leaking something after that last one. I don't know.
That was rough.
You know, we could not be leaking because there might not be anything left in it.
I just cut through the sumac.
I know.
No back there.
Tanner, let's go. We gotta make it across the big field. Well, they're definitely just not gonna make it through this. So I'm thinking we try to come through here. Shortcut. Shortcut.
I wish Mike didn't take out the old shit handles.
Oh God! No fucking way. No way we just made it through that.
I'm surprised we haven't lost a tire yet.
Private property, right?
It's a good rig.
We were talking earlier, and I was like, "Yeah, I got the CJ," and he just stopped and he goes, "I've heard stories."
Well, we survived.
And
We did. That was like borderline not good.
The closest I've ever been to tipping over, 100%.
I was like,
I've never been able to move in the Jeep and it like starts to tip.
see, I don't think it should be a deterrent from running the track.
Does the radio work?
Everything works. The heated seats work.
All right, I'm in.
Hell yeah. That was the stipulation. Had to be warm. Tanner, you want to run with him so you can show him the track? Have him do a
Want to warm up?
run and then do the actual one?
Yeah. That is it. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Jump! Remember to come to a stop at the end after that last tree. And stop! Time.
What do we get?
Well, we have to go back and check it, but that felt fast.
Felt fast.
It's still running.
So far, we gotta time it and see what he got. Felt like a fast run though.
Oh, you actually did run a quick one. You gotta time it on camera.
What's going on here?
I was gonna say, you were driving you? You knew who he was?
I'm gonna pop some holes in that.
In the fireplace. Get some better airflow going
Right
through there.
now, I'm dealing with a neutral flame issue.
Is there any reason you were lighting that with the Zippo and not
think it was
just
stock
fire pit?
It was just like a stock car.
No.
Okay.
Super.
I was just curious.
You don't want to waste your fluid.
I mean, that's fair.
Obviously.
I want to save your beard.
it's a
Yeah,
good looking car.
fair.
For like, yeah, for
But-
the era.
Please don't let me. Hey, what you guys need to do is drill holes. What do you think
That's
they're
what we're
doing
doing.
right now? Oh.
Yeah, so this car has seen multiple trees and multiple people jumping in through here, so don't worry about whatever.
And to the
you're
right.
about to do.
So this is your warm up here.
I've never been in the back doing it.
How sketchy is it in the back? Hell yeah.
Oh, this is
And then stop. Sorry. So that tree right there is the stop box.
Oh,
So you have to come to a complete stop.
the shit out of me.
Come to a complete stop right after that one, and then that's where your thing ends.
Tree.
Let's do the left foot brake.
How much you trust me, Tim?
Well, fully. I wouldn't get in here if I didn't.
This fucking tree.
Very nice. That's a hard one to get around. Come to a stop, come to a stop. Time. Yo, that was a run. That was pretty good, I feel.
It was a little slippery. A couple of corners could have been better, but I hit the flat. I hit this on accident when I landed.
That was easily the biggest jump we've had.
I could have gone harder too, dude. That was first lap.
You had hang time. Holy moly.
There was like one corner where I just slipped.
Should we go time it, or you want to hit another one?
I could do another one.
Hit another one.
Round two.
I wish I had a phone mount here. Get our. Oh, do we have fun with like second gear?
Yeah, I usually just put it in second. If you hit third, we're gonna have problems.
Oh, that launch is not as good. Almost took out that fucking tree!
My head was fucking like. Time.
You good?
My head fucking hit this dude. I was up here, like my head was out the fucking car.
You all right?
I'm good. Yeah, totally all right. But like,
We need a
that's
pool- you need a
that's a
pool move over
consideration.
here.
Yeah. I was trying to beat my own suspension on that jump and was like.
The wheel went into the wheel. What does that feel like?
It was smooth, honestly. Like, I stayed still. You can tell the wheels were.
It's got no suspension left.
The inside of this wheel, I hit the wheel.
I put the windshield wipers on for comic effect while I bombed the corner. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Pop the hood.
No.
Oh, yeah, let's get it out of the woods.
To the shop.
Yo, when I got here, I thought I was creaming one of these trees. Everything got real narrow and close quick. Cooling. Oh yeah, what did we bust? Something, bro.
Yeah, right.
The overflow. Just shaking around. Yeah, maybe it was just the overflow that busted.
Just a little sloshiness in the field.
Oh yeah, we're good, boys.
Taco Bell wrapper?
Yeah, man.
So it's still in there, yeah. That's where it belongs.
Shine your light, see if it's close.
I figured I might want to move to the side in case
See
you
this?
wanted to send them.
Need you to get real close. VTech, baby.
Dude, she's around. Oh my god, has this just been undone the whole time? Ooh, it's fine. It's fine. It probably doesn't need to.
Did you just pull the ground off of it?
No.
Yeah. No, he did.
And it stayed running.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Absolutely.
Honda shit.
This is a beast. It's a good rig, man. I've said it before, I'll say it again. That was amazing. Oh, we gotta time that lap. There's no way that wasn't a sub 40. Dude, he was cooking through that.
Oh, and alas, that's gonna end all of the shenanigans for the day. I'm genuinely surprised the Honda still runs. I think I've said that like 15 times already, but I don't know how that car still runs. But either way, that's gonna do it for today. Hopefully when we come up here next weekend, we'll be at full attack on the Conquest, so stay tuned for all that content. And again, if you guys liked what you saw, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll see everybody next time.